Welcome back to the channel, fellow riders and gear enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into the world of motorcycle gear. Whether you are braving the storm or just cruising the highways, having the right gear can make all the difference. So we have handpicked the top 7 must-have motorcycle gears just for you. From rain suits to gloves, we are covering it all. So gear up and let's explore how these selections can enhance your ride, keep you safe and ensure comfort on every journey. Kicking off our list is the Rigg Stormrider rain suit, a true ally against the elements. Designed with the long-haul rider in mind, this high-visibility rain suit doesn't just promise to keep you dry, it ensures you are seen in the toughest weather. The 3XL Hi-Vis variant is a testament to Rigg's commitment to quality and rider safety. The suit is crafted from a durable, waterproof and breathable material, offering unparalleled protection without sacrificing comfort. The jacket and pants feature a unique ventilation system to prevent overheating, while reflecting stripes increase visibility during heavy rain or fog. The design incorporates large pockets, making it practical for storing essentials. Its durability is unmatched thanks to the suit's heavy-duty construction and heat-resistant panels. The Stormrider rain suit combines functionality with comfort, featuring adjustable cuffs, waist and leg openings for a custom fit. This gear is a perfect example of how Rigg understands and addresses the real-world needs of motorcyclists. Next on our list are the Hwk Motorcycle Pants, designed for both men and women. These pants are a game-changer for riders seeking both protection and comfort. Sized at 36 to 38 W32I, they cater to a broad range of riders. Made from a water-resistant fabric, these pants promise to keep you dry regardless of the weather. But it's not just about keeping the water out, it's also about breathability and comfort during long rides. The Hwk motorcycle pants are reinforced with armor padding at critical impact areas, offering enhanced protection without compromising on mobility. The design focuses on the rider's experience, featuring adjustable waist straps for a perfect fit and deep pockets for convenience. The material is durable, designed to withstand the rises of road and trail riding, making these pants a reliable companion for any adventure. The blend of functionality, protection and comfort makes the Hwk motorcycle pants a standout choice for riders prioritizing safety and usability. Coming in at number 3 is the BORLENI motorcycle boots. Offer both style and substance. Designed for men, these anti-slip outer boots are a blend of durability, protection and comfort. The boots feature a rugged sole that provides exceptional grip on various surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls. This is crucial for maintaining control and safety while riding. The construction of the boots is robust, using high-quality materials that promise longevity and resistance to wear and tear. They are equipped with ankle protection and a reinforced toe cap, safeguarding the rider's feet from impacts and abrasions. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. The interior is cushioned, offering support for long rides. The BORLENI motorcycle boots also excel in versatility, suited for both riding and casual wear. Their sleek design and practical features make these boots a must-have for any rider looking for reliable footwear that doesn't compromise on style or safety. Next at number 4, we have COFIT Motorcycle Gloves. These full-finger touchscreen compatible gloves are a testament to modern innovation in motorcycle gear. The gloves come in a sleek black design, providing a perfect blend of style and functionality. Made from high-quality materials, they offer protection against abrasions and impacts, with reinforced areas on the palms and knuckles. What sets these gloves apart is their touchscreen compatibility, allowing riders to use smartphone or GPS devices without removing the gloves. This feature enhances convenience and safety, keeping the riders focused on the road. The COFIT gloves are designed for comfort with a breathable fabric that keeps your hands cool and dry even on long rides. The adjustable wrist closure ensures a secure and custom fit for every rider. Durable, stylish and practical, these gloves are an essential piece of gear for any motorcyclist looking to combine protection with modern technology. The number 5 position is held by MeetHoo Thermal Underwear Setman Winter Base Layer. As we transition into the cooler months, maintaining core temperature becomes essential for riders. The MeetHoo Thermal Underwear set is designed with this very need in mind. Crafted from a soft, breathable fabric that ensures optimal warmth without compromising on comfort, this base layer set is a must-have for winter rides. The fabric's moisture-wicking properties keep you dry by transporting sweat away from your skin, an essential feature during long rides under heavy gear. The design is sleek and body-hugging, providing a seamless fit under your motorcycle jackets and pants, ensuring that it doesn't add bulk or restrict movement. Its durability is notable, withstanding numerous washes without losing its shape or thermal properties. The MeetHoo set includes both top and bottom, offering full body warmth and protection against the beating cold, making it an indispensable part of your winter riding gear. With its combination of quality, usability and effectiveness in keeping riders warm, the MeetHoo thermal underwear set stands out as an essential piece of gear for the winter season. Number 6 position is dominated by Motorcycle Jacket Men High Visibility Waterproof All Season Large. Visibility and protection are two paramount features every rider looks for in a jacket, and the high visibility waterproof motorcycle jacket delivers on both fronts. Designed for all-season use, this jacket is made from high-quality waterproof materials that keep you dry in rain without sacrificing breathability. The high visibility panels incorporated into the design ensures that you are seen in low light conditions, significantly enhancing your safety on the road. The jacket's versatility is one of the standout features, with multiple layers that can be added or removed according to the weather, making it suitable for year-round use. Durability is another key aspect, with reinforced stitching and wear-resistant materials that stands up to the rises of the road in time. Additionally, the jacket includes protective padding at critical impact points, providing an extra layer of safety without compromising on comfort. The thoughtful design extends to ample pocket space for essentials, making it not just a piece of safety equipment but a practical garment for everyday riding. Last but certainly not least, at number 7 position, we have the Alpinestars Men's Motorcycle Jacket. Alpinestars is a name synonymous with quality motorcycle gear, and the men's motorcycle jacket is no exception. This piece combines sleek design with top-tier functionality, making it a favorite among riders. Crafted from durable materials, this jacket offers excellent protection against the elements while ensuring breathability and comfort. Strategic ventilation zones allows for temperature regulation, a critical feature for rides in varying climates. The jacket's protective features are comprehensive, including CE certified armor in key impact zones such as shoulders and elbows, offering riders peace of mind regarding safety. The fit is adjustable with several points of customization to ensure a perfect fit, enhancing both comfort and protection. The design is modern and stylish, with subtle branding and a range of color options to suit any rider's preference. Beyond its protective feature, the Alpinestars Jacket is designed for practicality, with plenty of pockets and adjustments for a seamless riding experience. And there you have it, the top 7 essential motorcycle gears every rider should consider. Remember, the right gear not only protects you but also enhances your riding experience. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations. Ride on, and see you in the next video.